How to type the TM symbol on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, type in and search for trademark as shown. From here, select and copy the trademark symbol. After that, go back and open up the Messages app. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. Open any message from here. Then, tap on the message box. Type in any message and then paste the trademark symbol you just copied. Following these steps, you can easily type the TM symbol on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.